In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how to log someone out of your Discord. Okay, this is going to be a mobile tutorial because I believe most people use Discord on their mobile phone who's watching these videos. Okay, so first of all, you want to go to your profile icon by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then you just want to go here. This is a new option actually it's fairly new. It's not completely new, but it says devices. Okay, if you tap on devices, it's going to show you all your logged in devices. Okay, it's blurred for privacy reasons, but all you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom. And once you've scrolled all the way to the bottom, you can see it says log out all known devices. Okay, you see a button there, and you can also see a little X icon on the right hand side of any logged in device. And if you want to log out of a specific device and you don't want to log everyone out all at the same time, you can just tap on the X button to log out that specific person from your Discord account. Very useful feature on Discord. Okay, so just choose the people that you want to actually log out of your Discord account, hit the X button, and you'll be good to go. Okay, then that person will be logged out of your Discord account. So that's the process. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.